parents, we all want to keep our children healthy and safe. But imagine your child has an infection and the antibiotics no longer work. This is the hidden risk of antibiotic resistance. In this short video, I will explain what antibiotic resistance is and why it matters for your child and how vaccines and simple everyday choices can help. Antibiotic resistance happens when some bacteria survive antibiotic treatment and become stronger over time. This means antibiotic may no longer work as well as they should. As a result, infections can become harder to treat and more serious. In fact, antibiotic has caused around 1.27 million deaths worldwide in 2019, showing how serious this issue has become. This matters because children are vulnerable to infection, especially while their immune system are still developing. If antibiotics become less effective, illness may last longer and recovery may be more difficult. Repeated or severe infections can also affect a child's overall well-being and development. This is not only about protecting children, but also protecting future generations. Antibiotic resistance can happen naturally, but the way antibiotics are used can make it worse. Using antibiotics when they are not needed, taking them too often, or stopping treatment too early allows bacteria to survive and become stronger. This is why preventing infections in the first place is so important. Vaccines are one of the most effective ways to help reduce antibiotic resistance. They protect children from infections before they even start or become ill. When fewer infections happen, fewer antibiotics are needed. This means bacteria have fewer chances to become resistant. So vaccines do not just protect your child, they also help to protect the wider community. It is so important to remember that antibiotics are still essential. They save many lives when used correctly. The goal is not to avoid antibiotics completely, but to use them responsibly so they remain effective for the future generation. As a parent, there are simple ways you can take. Make sure your child receives all recommended vaccinations. Trust your doctor's advice about when antibiotic is needed. Only use them when necessary and always follow the instructions carefully. These small actions can make a big difference. Antibiotic resistance is a growing challenge, but small actions can make a big difference. By making informed choices today, you can help protect your child's health and preserve effective treatment for the future. Thank you for watching this video.